We just meet, but I can trust you. I know that. Anyway, I already have it all planned in my head. Do you want to hear it? Yeah? Good. Okay, so listen closely. For my first date, I would pick you up, of course. I would tell you to be ready at 8, and I would expect you to be ready at 8. No games, punctuality, being on time. For me, it's erotic. It shows respect. It shows you how minutes are training. It makes you feel the time I'm not around you. And then, when I see you, you look perfect, of course. We go to a quiet, expensive restaurant, somewhere dark, private. I order for both of us. You don't have to worry about anything. You just have to look at me. I won't ask you questions. Not boring questions. I would ask, what's your biggest secret? And you would tell me. I would ask, what's your favorite thing about your body? And you would tell me that too. I want to know the real you right away. During dinner, my leg would touch yours under the table. By accident, of course, just to see you react, to see if you blush. I bet you would. At the end of the meal, when the bill comes, and wait, who do you think is going to pay? Me or you? I don't know. People saying that the one who asks should pay, but maybe I want to see if you will offer. Tell me in the comments who pays. I think I know the answer. After dinner, I would ask you one simple question. Your place or mine? It doesn't matter what you say. We are going to my place. I need to have you in my space.